Alright guys, so today we're doing a little bit of maintenance again on the boat. As you can see, the stairs are no longer there. I'm loosening it up. So the way to take these stairs off on this O2 bayliner 2855, you have two nuts. As you're gonna see right here, 2 bolts, right? So the first very top step, you're gonna open it up, and then you're gonna see those 2 nuts are really flat to the surface. Those, they're gonna have a star head on the captain's room. If you can see those 2 nuts right there. And then the second step is gonna have this guy. Okay, so you can see right there. So you take those guys out, and then you are able to slide this thing out. Okay, once you slide it out, you can remove it, put it outside. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking this carpet off. It's just obviously old. I'm gonna remove the carpet. I'm gonna fix the steps. I'm gonna put new vinyl on it, and hopefully put it back together, and it might look a little bit newer. So now I got this last step. The reason why I'm taking all this stuff off anyways is for these guys over here. So you can see there's water there, and that's from the toilet, the sink, fresh water, salt water. I got the boat, and this hose is open. As you can see, the lever is open. That's the bottom of the hole of the boat. So I need to find out if by staying open we got water in, or the seal on the bottom of the hole is not sealing properly, and we're getting water in when it's in the water. Not sure, but we're definitely gonna find out. I am gonna put 2 new pumps in there. There's a pump, and that's an external pump. So I'm gonna change all that stuff out just to be safe that when I'm in the water, all this stuff start running. So let's get this last step out. And from what I'm seeing, there might be a couple of screws, probably like this one. Maybe some other one somewhere, but it should be fairly free. So let me get this guy out and go from there. Alright guys, so we got the final step out. Now we're down to the sump pump. The supposed to be clean water tank, if I'm not mistaken. The drain from the shower, if I got that right. It's supposed to be hooked up to here. As you can see, it's broken, so the water is going out. Everything is supposed to be hooked into here. This is the outlet off of it. The hose right there is the outlet going out to the outside of the boat. That's the outlet for the other pump going to the outside of the boat. Drain from the shower, supposed to be hooked. Oh, shower, toilet, not sure. I'm assuming it's going to be the shower, fairly close to the shower. And then this is supposed to be the water supply from the outside, which she has me questioning if it's leaking. See, it says on it, head pickup. I don't know if you can read that, but so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this apart, and I'm gonna bring in a battery and probably a tester. But if I open these things are supposed to be connected straight to the battery, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, I'm fairly new in all this stuff, so don't quote me on everything that I say. But I think it's supposed to be constant to the battery, and it has a floater in it, and it's supposed to, whenever make contact with water and it's a little bit higher than normal, supposed to pump it right out. So that's the theory anyways. But if I hook at the batteries, they're not kicking on, and obviously we have water here, and I'm sure there's water in here too, and it's still not pumping. So I'm gonna take that cover off. I'm gonna turn the battery on, and I want to see if the floaters are working or not. If not, then I'm gonna try to put power straight to it and see if they work out of a battery. If they don't, then I got this stuff coming new anyways. But I already taken it apart. So hopefully this hose is long enough to reach there. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a new hose. And I want to say that's the drain, which looks nasty. So I might just have to get a new drain cover hose and put it in for the sake. But so far this is what we got. Alright, so this is probably going to be part 1 until I get the parts, but I'm going to open that up and probably do some tests on it, and I got the stuff coming in anyways, but let's see.